K&M Collision, we've been around since 1991. We're going on 35 years now. It's kind of hard to believe, but my father and mother both started the company then. The thing that's really unique about K&M Collision is our factory certification approach. We really buy into the OEM way being the way for proper repairs, and really believe in performing each and every repair in accordance with OEM standards and using only OEM parts. We were kind of earlier adopters of KECO when they came into the collision repair space. Just as they have continued to improve the system, we've kind of upgraded along the way. Something that we've added with this upgrade that we didn't have before is the lateral tension. The lateral tension allows you to repair things that without it you're not repairing in a conventional shop environment. It gets us closer and closer to performing true paintless dent repair. And so while we're not using it 100% for paintless dent repair, one of the things that it's really done is it's virtually eliminated the use of fillers for us, because we're not instilling heat into the panel through grinding or welding studs or keys or anything of that nature. There's no heat going into that panel, meaning more of the rigidity is maintained versus putting heat into the panel and weakening or distorting that panel as it's being done. With the ability to repair a panel that maybe in the past, because of the heat and the distortion that would have been created using conventional repair methods, we would have replaced that panel rather than repaired it. Anytime you don't have to remove factory connection points, factory welds, factory rivets, things like that, and you can maintain all of those factory original connection methods, I think that's ultimately a win, not only for you as a shop, but really for the consumer long term. One of the most exciting parts for our technicians about the upgrade was getting to go through additional training. So I think KECO's been out here. This would have been the third time they've been out here. What's really cool about it for me is that each of the technicians that have participated in the past wanted to participate in the newest iteration of the training. I think it just speaks volumes to what KECO's built when you look at the techs that have already been through that training, being eager to go through that again, just really hungry for the opportunity to learn more from the instructors. It's not just theory, not just classroom, but showing them in the shop, what kind of repairs they can do with this system, and really how to put the system through its paces. The training in conjunction with the system is just going to move the needle in such a big way for each and every shop that's out there right now that doesn't currently have a glue pull system, or has a very limited subset of glue pull tools. If you're a shop and you're looking to improve your capabilities, and you're looking to place real knowledge in your technicians' hands, there's not a better investment when it comes to spending your dollars than on the KECO system.